Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going out to my favorite place, the garden. Now I've always said a little bit of greenery can bring so much life to any space. And there's nothing quite like having those colorful blooms greet you year after year. That's why I'm so excited to share my top picks for perennial flowers with you all. These beauties are the gift that keeps on giving, coming back stronger every spring. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I guarantee there's a perennial out there with your name on it. So, grab your gardening gloves and your sweetest iced tea, and let's get digging into the wonderful world of perennials. Let's start with a showstopper, the peony. Big, beautiful, and oh so fragrant. Next up we have foxgloves, like something straight out of a storybook. Now, who could resist the calming scent of lavender? It's just heavenly. Daylilies come in all sorts of colours, and perfect for brightening up any corner. Need some shade-loving plants? Hostas are your new best friend with their gorgeous leaves. Black-eyed Susans just scream summertime, don't you think? So cheerful and... Coneflowers are like magnets for butterflies and bees, good for the garden. Bleeding hearts are just so delicate and romantic, like something out of a poem. I do love a plant with pretty leaves, and coral bells sure deliver. Russian sage adds a touch of elegance with its silvery leaves and cool blue blooms. You can't go wrong with a classic. Shasta daisies are simple and oh so charming. Got a shady spot? A stilby thrives there and adds a touch of whimsy with its feathery plumes. Sedum is a real workhorse in the garden, drought-tolerant and always looking good. Phlox comes in a rainbow of colours, just like fireworks in the garden. Yarrow brings a touch of wildness and texture to the garden with its fern-like leaves. Want to attract some hummingbirds? Plant some salvia. They can't resist it. Catmint's another one that's both beautiful and fragrant, and the cats love it too. Japanese anemones bring a touch of colour to the late summer garden. Just gorgeous. Baptisia is a real standout with its blue-green foliage and those unique flowers. And last but not least, coreopsis, like little rays of sunshine in the garden. Well, there you have it, my top picks for perennial flowers. I hope this inspires you to add a little something special to your own gardens. Remember, the best gardens are filled with love, a sprinkle of sunshine. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tricks. And be sure to let me know in the comments what your favourite perennials are. Happy gardening, everyone. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more great gardening videos.